Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Apex Legends error code 00000024. The error reads, "Game security violation detected." As per our research, the error comes when users launch the game or after spending a few minutes in a match. Some players also shared that the error comes when leaving a match, causing the game to crash. According to our research, the error is likely caused by system conflicts with background applications, RGB lighting software, antivirus programs, or connected hardware like controllers or mice using third-party software. To fix the error, the first thing we suggest is to power cycle your device along with the internet. Once done, try launching the game and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, check if you need to update the game. If an update is available, install it and see if the error still comes. If the error still persists, try disabling your device firewall and any third-party antivirus software. Then try again and check if this helps with the error. If the error still continues, disable any RGB lighting software running on your system. After that, launch the game and see if the error still comes. If the error still doesn't resolve, check if you're using any mouse or controller software such as Razer or Logitech. Disable them and check if this resolves the error. At last, if the error still persists, and you are using any hotkey programs like a Windows key disabler. If so, then disable them and then launch the game to check if the error still comes. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.